Hello everyone, it's time for us to work on our beginning sounds. I have a bunch of things that are on my bed. Can you guess what any of these things are? I'm going to point to something and I want you to tell me what the name is. Do you know what this is? Over here, toothpaste. Next to the toothpaste is some silver paint. And then there's something that you wear on your head. It is a crown. Under the crown, there are two things. The smaller thing is a battery. Do you know what this is? A toothbrush, a moon, a ball, glasses. I bet you know what this is. A sun, and a light bulb. All right, so now what I want you to do is I want you to look at the letter that I'm showing you and try to guess where this one goes. What letter is that? That is the letter B, and B makes the B sound. There are two things that begin with the letter B. Can you figure out one of them? B is for battery. There's another one. Can you figure it out? Look at all of the things that are there. I'll give you a clue. It's a green thing. Ball. B is for ball. Okay, so let's see now. What letter is this? S. One thing begins with S here. Sun is right. Sun begins with the letter S. Going along with that one, this is the letter M. What begins with the sound Moon. This is the letter G. G makes the G sound, G. Which of these things begin with a G sound? Glasses begins with a G. The next letter is T. T. There are two things that begin with the letter T. Toothbrush. And the other thing that begins with the letter T, toothpaste. Toothbrush and toothpaste begin with the letter T. T, T, T. The next letter is this letter, P. P, P, P. Do you see something that begins with the letter P? Paint. Paint begins with the letter P. The next letter that I have, can you guess? I have two things that are left. I have a crown and I have a light bulb. What do you think is the next letter? Did you take a guess that it was the letter L? Which one begins with L? L. Light bulb. L. And the last letter is this letter, K, K, for crown. Crown. Great job. Now, can you notice some things that might go together here? These things you use to keep your teeth clean. That's right. Toothpaste and toothbrush help to keep our teeth clean. These things are up in the sky. Can you see anything that you might see in the sky? The sun and the moon. You're right. You can see those things in the sky. Thanks for playing a game with me. I'll see you soon.